So next up, we're breaking down AMD. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find our support and resistance lines, our exits, our targets, and all that good stuff, okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so yesterday we closed at 0.28%, and this morning we're down almost 2% pre-market. We're at 73.10. All right, so I'm gonna first go over our support and resistance lines for our new viewers. That way these lines can make sense to them as well. So this top line represents our major resistance line. You can see we got rejected over here, over here, over here, over here. We had resistance over here. I had to test that twice before creating that breakout. And once working as resistance, will work as support on the opposite side. You can see that we bounced over here, and we broke underneath. We came back up, tested that resistance, but we never actually broke past that. We actually failed and pushed us down to our major support line. Now let's go back where we look left, like Beyonce says. We can see that we were bouncing over here until we bounced up, came back down, bounced over here, bounced over here, bounced over here. And if you look where we're at right now, you guys, we kind of peekabooed below, and then we broke back above onto our support. Let me zoom in. So yeah, we are still we were below this trend line, so we were in this downward trend. However, we just broke above that. That doesn't mean that we are in an upward trend, but it shows that buyers are now starting to step up. If we can create this reversal, you guys, this could be a great ideal entry since we are right on the support line. If we look left, you've seen how many times we were bouncing off of this area because it is a heavily tested area. We got to respect these lines, okay? So getting in right now, I don't see that as an issue since we are on this major support line. We just broke above the trend line. The RSI doesn't look like it's oversold. However, it does look like we are trying to correct. So if you were gonna get in as of right now, I would have a tight stop loss, maybe underneath the 73 or $72 area. So that way, if we do break back below this support line and we get tagged out, we can wait for a better entry. But as of right now, since we are on this support line, let me actually just double check on the 1 hour chart. So it says we're at 73.02, so that brings us down all the way right here. So technically, you guys, we are below this major support line, so technically this would not be a good buy. I'm glad that I double checked that, you guys. So what we want to see is this to actually, since we're actually technically down here, we're actually down in this area for pre-market. The market should be opening here in about 30 minutes. So what we want to see to see this clear reversal, you guys, is this for us to break back above the $74 area. If we can break back that $74 area, come up and come back down. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying to get over this sickness. It's kicking my butt. And retest the $74 area, then that could be a buy entry. But with it being under the $73 area or $72 area, I can't say that this could be a good buy because we are underneath that resistance now. So it used to work as support, now it'll work as resistance. So we have to at least wait for further confirmation that buyers are stepping up and that we are truly trying to create this reversal. So as of right now, it would not be a good buy. Okay, so let's wait until we can break above the $74 area, roughly around the $74.50 area, or $74.50 area. And if we can come up and break above that and retest that $74 area, then that could be the great ideal entry for you guys. And then obviously your first target would probably be around the $78 area, and then your second target being back up at the previous highest point at the $87.27. Okay. However, like I said, it looks different on the daily. On the daily, it does show that we are on the support, but you have to look at the pre-market, you guys. That's why they have that there for us. But other than that, I wanted to make this short and sweet, you guys. If I did that and you guys actually learned something, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.